Tonight's going to be a quick video. It's after midnight and I just got home from work. I ordered 2 Hoyas about a week ago from Secret Garden Plants on an Etsy shop. I'm excited to get these plants open and give them some fresh air and check to see if they need water. Keep watching to see what we got. So here's the box they came in. You can see it got a little beat up in the postage. Let's see what's inside. So they've used newspaper to protect the plants. And here they are, wrapped up inside. And there's just a little piece of wax paper in there. These plants are little, I can tell already. So the first one I got is the Hoya Obovata Picta. You can see it has beautiful inner variegation here. Just a little guy. Here's the other one I got. They are well wrapped, I will say that. And then this one is the Hoya Incrassata Moonshadow. It's very pretty. Both of these. She does have a damp towel here. It does feel like it's rooted, so that's a good sign. It also has new growth coming here, so that's also a good sign. Show you here. There is new growth there. So here's the Hoya Picta. Again, it's also very well rooted, and there is new growth here, and then there's a fresh vine down here starting. So I paid $24 each for these, and I do think it seems a little pricey now that I see the size of them. But I will say that they are healthy plants. She did wait for them to root before she sent them to me, and there is new growth. So that took a little bit of time. I know that from propagating my own. These plants will do just fine. We'll let them dry out. We'll get them acclimated to the house. Once they've taken hold and I'm feeling good about them, we'll put them up in our potting mix and they'll be just fine. So here they are again. The Obovata Picta and the Incrassata Moonshadow. Very beautiful. And I got them from Secret Gardens Plants on Etsy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video and you want to see other plant unboxings, please subscribe and have a good evening.